Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a highly requested video. I've not filmed a makeup look in about 2 months, so I thought I would do an updated routine, my everyday makeup routine when I actually do wear makeup, which I'm not gonna lie, is not very often. So today I thought I wanted to wear a bit of makeup, and so I thought I'd film it for you. This is just my everyday makeup look if I do my makeup. Just simple. It's not really changed from any other videos that I've done. Maybe a few products, I'm not entirely sure, but yeah, you wanted to see it, so I thought I'd film it for you. So yeah, if you want to see my everyday makeup look and what products I use and things, then just keep on watching. So the first thing I'm gonna do is, you all know by now, it's just moisturise with my, oh gosh, that's a lot. Oh my god, I forgot the name of it. Superdrug, it's right in front of me, Jade, oh my god. Superdrug Moisturiser, because I love this stuff. I have cleansed my face. I did that in the shower this morning. My skin's really bad at the minute. I've got a few breakouts and oh god, I love this moisturiser so much. It's so nice. Yeah, I've not really been wearing a primer lately. I mean, if I'm going out on a night out, then I might wear a primer, because then obviously I want my makeup to last longer and all day and stuff. I'm just gonna, my brows really need doing so bad. I don't know why I'm neatening them, to be honest, because I'm gonna put my foundation on. I normally put my foundation on first. I just need to wet my beauty blender though, because I forgot to do that. I do wear a primer if I'm going out on a night out, just because I want my makeup to last long and still be, you know, looking good and as effective. Yes, this is just like my everyday makeup look if I wear makeup. I'm a mom and I don't really like wear it often, if I'm completely honest, anymore. Just because sometimes I just find I don't have the time, so you know, I just don't wear it. So I've wore this, I've mentioned this a couple of times in my videos. This is just my go-to foundation that I'm wearing at the minute. I mean, sometimes I switch it up and sometimes I'll wear this one by Maybelline, but I'm not really after a full coverage kind of makeup today. I mean, these are, I would say these are like a medium coverage, not like full coverage. It's just the Maybelline foundation sticks. You've seen me talk about them before. I was looking back on my last video that I did, my last makeup video that I did was actually 2 months ago. So I thought I would do an updated one. Some things change all the time, like my makeup routine changes all the time. And you wanted to see it. And you also wanted to know like what my top products, makeup products are. So most of the products that I do use are like my top favourite products. So obviously I will show you them and stuff. But yeah, I love this foundation because, as you can see, and I've mentioned this before, it's just so quick and easy to put on. Also, I do apologise if the lighting isn't very good. If the lighting keeps going off in this video, because I normally use my ring light, but I'm just using natural lighting today. Because I didn't know where the best place to do it was. So I'm just doing it in front of the window. Natural light. In case anyone's wondering what shade I am, I'm wearing F3. I'm trying to think what makeup I used last time. I can't actually remember. I'm sure I used the foundation today. I'm just going to put a little bit more on. This makeup sponge I use is just the Real Techniques Miracle Sponge. So the concealer I'm using, I've used this loads of times before, and I recently just purchased this one. It's quite brand new. It's the newer shade from the Instant Anti-Age Eraser Concealer from Maybelline. I really love this, and they just brought out lots of new shades. But this one is the lightest shade they do. It's like 0 Ivory, and I think, to be honest, it's a little bit light for me, but I do love a bright under eye, and that's what I want a bright under eye. So that's what I'm doing today. And then I do like to cream contour when I am doing my makeup, but I'm not going to do that today because I just don't have time, and I've not really been doing it much. I don't know if I've done it in my recent videos. I just like cream contour and cream highlight with my concealer, but I've just not been doing it at the minute. I've just not been feeling it. It's not in my makeup routine at the moment. If I'm going on a night out, then yeah, I will go full shebang. But this is just my makeup routine at the minute. I change it up all the time, as I say. This is just my go-to at the moment. So I'm just going to put some of that on my eyelids. This concealer is really, really good. Do you know what? I'm not feeling that concealer. I'm just going to pop a bit of this on over top. This is my trusted concealer. Just a little bit to brighten up a little bit, because that's what I feel. This is the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer. Mentioned it a couple of times. I think actually I've used it in most of my videos, but I think I've only actually done 2 makeup videos, so I'm not entirely sure. But yeah, really, really, really like this. I probably don't need that much concealer, but I just feel that. I'm going to set that with just some Rimmel London Stay Matte Powder. So I'm basically at the end of this one, and all I've done is like crumble it up so that I can pop it on a beauty blender on a sponge, and then I'm just going to set that with my sponge, my beauty blender, under my eyes. I've used this for years. This is like a fave of mine. And then obviously other places where I put. Yeah, you lot asked for this video. It's always requested. As I say, this is just what I do. Like, my makeup's not everyone's taste, and people might think it's a lot for an everyday makeup look, but I just feel if I don't do this, I'm just gonna brush that. I'm just gonna brush over that with this brush. I feel like if I don't do this when I'm doing my makeup, then I just don't feel like I've got any on. I just don't feel me. Do you know what I mean? Like, before I had Harrison, I would probably go I would probably wear a lot more makeup and it'd take me longer. But obviously now my mum, I've learned to do it as quick as possible and minimal as possible, but still looking like I want to look, still like looking-ish, glamish. My eyebrows are so bad. Oh. So I'm going to do my brows now, and I've set all my face and stuff. I'm just using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. Love this brow pencil, and I think they do a similar one in Primark, which is supposed to be really good, but I've never really found this. I'm in the shade Brunette, so I'm just going to do my brows. They really need doing, so they're probably not going to go how I want them, and it's probably going to be really, really thick and bold. Should be okay. He won't cry or anything. He'll just play for a few minutes while I just do my makeup. I'm constantly looking up there, but I'm just I have to concentrate when I do my eyebrows. Well, to be honest, I'm not entirely overly fussed if it doesn't look amazing, do you know what I mean? I used to spend way too long trying to get my brows to look the same, and they just never do, so I give up. My eyebrows are not sisters, they're not twins, or identical twins. Just gonna brush over the brows. So I don't really put anything on my eyebrows, on my lids. I'm just basically just putting a bit of bronzer in my lids, because that's just my go-to makeup at the minute. So I'm just going to use some Hoola Benefit bronzer, and I'm just going to put that in the crease of my eyelid, and that's all I pretty much use. That's pretty much all I do at the minute. That's just what I've been doing, just put a bit of bronzer in my eyes, and that's just literally my everyday makeup look. I don't know, I just really like it. It's just simple, isn't it? And it's quick and it's easy. No faffing around doing blending and all shit. I just find this is quicker and easy for me, so that's what I've been doing. And I don't really use any fancy brushes either. This is just a NYX blending brush. I just use that. But yeah, if I'm going on a night out, then bloody hell, I will go full shebang. I suppose as well, it kind of just depends what mood I'm in. If I'm feeling adventurous and I feel like I've got a bit more time, I might spend a bit more time on my eyeshadow and do a bit more, but really this is just pretty much what I do. So I'm just going to put a bit of bronzer on. I've been using this one by Tanya Burr Cosmetics. It's a bit old and I probably should trick it out because I've had it for ages. But I just really like it. And it's not too dark, the bronzer. It's just really good. So bronzer, just on my forehead at the side and then just there. And that's literally all I do. Yeah, I feel like if I don't do this, if I don't wear my makeup like this every time I do it, I just don't feel me. I just don't feel like I'm. Do you know what I mean? I have to have it all on. I have to have the full bronzer and all that kind of stuff because I just feel like my makeup's not done then. And that's just me. Everyone's different. Everyone, like I said, everyone might think this is a lot from everyday makeup look. But when you master it and you do it as long as I have, you can literally do it in, I'm not even joking, you can literally do it in 10 minutes if that. So yeah, I'm just gonna go over that with just a little bit of Hoola Benefit. Only a little bit. Just to kind of make me look a bit more bronzy. And then I'm just going to put a bit down my nose actually. I wasn't going to, but I am. I'm just going to put a bit down my nose. Do you know what? I'm just going to use this little brush here. This eyeshadow brush. Yeah, so a lot of people ask me what makeup brushes I use. I think I've mentioned it before, but I'll just mention it again in case. It's just Real NYX brushes. I've used these for years, guys. I really love these brushes. They're so affordable. If you want a more expensive brush, then I would recommend Zoeva. They're really good brushes. And NYX brushes are really good as well. They're not too expensive. I think obviously when it starts getting expensive is when you are buying loads and you're adding them to your collection, and that's when it can probably get expensive. But yeah, I would definitely recommend them 100%. See, that's my bronzer all done. Oh my god, it's literally about to pour it down. It's so dark outside. I really hope that this lighting hasn't gone awful. Oh my god, I'm so sorry if the lighting's rubbish, guys. Oh, I'm just thinking this is probably going to have to be filmed again. Anyway, right, that's enough bronzer. And then I'm just going to pop on my favourite highlighter, which is the Primark one, the pink mink one. You all know this is my favourite. I use it all the time. I just really love the colour. It's just so pretty. And it's affordable. It's £2.50 from Primark. You can't go wrong, can you? You all know how obsessed I am with makeup. And as I said before I had housing, I would spend a lot of time to do my makeup because I just like wearing it and I just feel nice when I wear it. Most days, like I say, I can't be bothered because, you know, there's a lot more things that are prioritised over than doing my makeup. But when I do it, I just feel nice, and you know, do whatever makes you happy. And makeup makes me happy. I take a little brush that I just like to do my nose with, bridge my nose and a little bit on the tip of my nose. Make it look sparkle. I love highlight. It's like, oh, I could just bathe in it. It's just so good. And then I even just sometimes put a little bit in the corner of my eyes there. And then I'm just going to put some lipstick on. My favourite go-to lipstick at the moment. Oh my god, I've not even put mascara on. I've just realised. It's this Primark lipstick. It's quite nude. It smells so nice. It smells like candy. I haven't got any lip liner, otherwise I would normally wear one. Well, actually, I might put a little bit of this one over the top just to kind of darken it up a little bit. I'm running out of it though. Oh, that's quite nice. It's not really done much. And then I'm gonna put, where is it? A makeup drawer. Don't even look in there, guys. It's a bit of a need to organise it. A bit of gloss on my lippies. I love a gloss. Oh yeah, mascara. I forgot to put mascara on. This is my new favourite mascara. Talked about this on my Instagram stories. If you follow me on Instagram, you will know that I'm loving it. So it's just the Benefit Bad Girl Bang Mascara. I've only got the mini version. So good. I've really struggled to find a mascara that just makes my eyelashes look, well, half decent, any kind of decent. Long, curly, thick. I just really have struggled, and this one, as you can see the difference, is just amazing. I just love it. I love it so much. But yeah, I am going to be getting the full size of this once I finish using the mini version. I only wanted to get like the mini size just to try it out, because I kind of can justify spending £10 on something that I might not like, rather than spending over £20 on something. Do you know what I mean? So I've tried it out, I've reviewed it, love it. I will be back for the big one. I find it really hard to put mascara on without actually getting it on my lids. Does anyone else? You know what? I may have put a lot on and it might look spidery, but that's the look I like. And you know what? I'm going to put a bit of blush on as well. I don't really wear blush, to be honest. I'm just going to put a little bit on the apples of my cheekies. So that is all done. That makeup all done. Quite simple, quite quick, easy, simple routine. It's not impossible. Anyone can do it. And yeah, simple, just simple everyday makeup look. Yeah, some days I just literally cannot be bothered, so I don't bother. But today I felt like putting makeup on, so I thought I'd show you my everyday makeup look, my everyday makeup routine, and the products that I use. And these are just pretty much the products that I love, and just go back to them all the time because they're just amazing products. But yeah, if you've enjoyed this video, guys, and you like this makeup look, please give this video a big thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you do want me to do another makeup look, maybe another makeup routine video, maybe I could show you my like nighttime makeup routine, my nighttime makeup look, what I kind of wear if I'm going out or just to the cinema on a date night. Because as I say, my makeup routine, if I'm going out somewhere nice for a meal or whatever, it's a lot different, and I like to just do a bit more with my eyes, maybe wear an eyelash, a bit more of the contour and stuff. So yeah, if you want to see that, just let me know, leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to film that for you guys. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.